Hello, Namaste, Chindobre, and Privyet. So, welcome back. And first of all, I apologize that I'm not able to update videos consistently. In my opening phrase, I use a word Privyet. Privyet is a Russian and Ukrainian word which means hello. So, there are many questions about language. Is it important to learn Polish or not? See, if you learn something or any new languages, that is good for you. So you can interact with locals better, and you can understand them, and you can communicate proper. You can convey your thoughts, you can convey your situation, especially for those people who wants to come as a unskilled. So it is most important to convey uh, your situation to your manager. Okay, so see, language is important. I'm not saying it's not an important, but the thing is, you are coming as a unskilled. You don't need to much interact with anyone, not even your manager, not even your supervisor. So only you have to follow your instructions, and these people can understand few English. So if you understand few English, then it is okay, no problem. You don't need to bend for 6.7 or and above. It is not like that. If you can speak little bit and you can understand here and there, so that is enough for you. And if I talk about Polish language, so see, I'm trying to learn Polish language from almost 2 years. I'm here, so I'm trying to learn, but still I'm trying to learn. I'm not able to learn Polish properly because I don't have time. See, at my workplace, there are many people who can speak Polish. I'm talking about Russians, sorry, Ukrainians. There are many Ukrainians who can speak Polish, and of course, Polish people are also there. But the thing is, when you work, you have to work. You won't be able to talk somebody, or you know, and if you learn some language, you have to speak. You have to communicate with somebody. Then you can learn. If you think, okay, I will learn from books, yeah, I may learn from YouTube. It's not a joke to learn world's toughest language, and Polish is one of them. So it is not so easy to learn Polish with working 12-hour shift or 8-hour shift. You may learn, but you have to give time. If you learn proper Polish language, then you have to give time every day, almost 3 to 4 hours. Then you can learn, because I met many people who are non-Slavic. Non-Slavic means they are from Africans, they are from other Asian countries like Philippines. So I met them, and they speak very well Polish language because they gave time almost a year or 2 years to learning this language. So you need to learn few words, like 15 to 20 words. If you will learn in Polish, then that will be enough for you. Enough, I think, more than enough for you. Some basics, as I know, I can understand few words, like I would say 15 to 20 words I can speak, I can understand. So that is काम चला हुआ है मेरे लिए अभी तक. But to learning Polish language, it's not an important. Okay, if you are unskilled or skilled even also, it's all up to you. If you want to learn new language, if you want to explore Poland, Polish people, you want to interact with them, so then you can learn. It's all up to your interest. You want to learn Polish or not. But in short, learning Polish language or speaking Polish language is not an important if you coming as an unskilled worker. And मैंने प्रीवियत का मैंने एक वर्ड यूज़ किया था प्रीवियत. So there is my friend. He's from Ukraine, and I'm learning Polish from him because he can speak Polish, and he's trying to learn English from me. But he can speak English well. We are just exchange our thoughts, our language. So he just wanted to learn more English, and I wanted to learn Polish. So I told him that I will use Privyet in my next video. So he said, okay, I will watch your video. So that's why I'm trying to speak more English in this video. Otherwise, usually I made videos in Hindi, so many people can understand. I know everyone can understand English. If you can understand everything in this video, so then that is enough for you. You don't need to do any hard work on the language, on any language, even a Polish or whether it is English. That's enough for you. You don't need to worry about language. So I think there is enough information in this video about language. So मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए नमस्ते, जय हिंद.